Love deception exposed. 3 key clues his love could be fake. Love, at times, resembles a maze, requiring careful observation to distinguish genuine emotions. Here are 3 potential signs that could indicate his love might not be authentic. 1. Mismatch between words and actions. If he frequently expresses love verbally but fails to back it up with corresponding actions, it could serve as a warning signal. Love demands tangible efforts. If his declarations of affection remain mere words without genuine actions to support them, it might imply a masked affection. 2. Avoidance of commitment and future plans. Someone genuinely in love with you would willingly plan a future together, encompassing long-term commitment and shared goals. If he consistently evades discussing the future or shies away from commitments, it could signify a lack of authenticity in his feelings. 3. Lack of support and care. Love manifests through mutual support and care. If he consistently lacks patience and understanding when you need him, or appears indifferent to your achievements and challenges, it could indicate a shallowness in his feelings for you. In essence, uncovering the facade of love requires meticulous observation of words and actions, coupled with rational judgment of the authenticity of his feelings. Don't allow deceitful love to deceive your heart. This is a video worth referencing. If you find it valuable, please click the like and subscribe button and share it with friends and family. Thanks for watching and good health to all.